I think I did not know what I wanted to be when I grew up, when I was a child. Um, but I also wanted to be everything. Wanted to do everything. I think, yeah, adventure is something that you've no idea. You don't know the entirety of it. It's kind of like venturing out into the unknown with maybe certain things that you know about yourself and your surroundings, and then coming back with like a whole lot more. Adventure and the concept of adventure has changed for me over time. When I started it, there was this, oh my god, I want to see what I can do. I want to see how badly can this body be tired, how much can my legs hurt or my feet hurt. And it was very exploratory externally, and then there was some aspect of internal exploration, and that's where this piece of self-awareness comes from, which I think is a big takeaway from adventure. I was saying, when I was a kid, I wanted to be a lot of things. But as an adult, what I realized is that I just wanted to do a lot of things. You don't have to be someone, something to do anything. It kind of landed me in this place where I was like, what do I like doing? I like moving. In the college, I found the hiking club, which was kind of like a new way of moving and opened up this other whole world, this world for me. And I was like, maybe I can do this too. And I could, and I just like didn't stop doing it. Good judgment comes from bad experiences. And that to a certain level, we can have those, we all need those experiences to build a sense of judgment, to understand what is good, what is not good for me. And so I think adventure is whatever anybody wants to make out of it for themselves. It's very unique. It's like your own thing.